Madelyn Cline is one of our favorite TV stars, best known for her role as Sarah Cameron on the hit show Outer Banks. We've got 10 facts that you may not know about Madelyn Cline. Do you know all 10? Put yourself to the test. Hi, I'm back with a new video. Today we're looking at 10 things you probably didn't know about Madelyn Cline that everyone should know. Let's go see the video. Fact 1. It may sound like an obvious one, but with so many actors using stage names, it's always hard to tell. Madelyn's full name is Madelyn Renee Cline. Fact 2. Madelyn has been acting since her teens, but she was a model first, since the tender age of 10. She worked on ads for companies like T-Mobile. Fact 3. How tall is Madelyn Cline? Madelyn Cline is 5 feet 6 inches tall, or 167 centimeters. Fact 4. You might have been wondering where you've seen her before. Madelyn played one of Steve Harrington's gang in season 2 of Stranger Things. You might be able to spot her the next time you watch the show. Fact 5. She's actually not blonde. While she might be rocking lighter hair on Outer Banks for her character, she actually is a natural brunette IRL. Fact 6. According to Madelyn's Screen Actors Guild page, she can speak French on a conversational level. The ability to speak another language will definitely come in handy as Madelyn moves further along in her career. Fact 7. If there's one positive thing about social distancing, it's that given people the space and opportunity to learn new skills and practice old ones. One of the things Madelyn is doing during this time is learning to play the guitar. Fact 8. She has several different hobbies you might have not guessed. Madelyn revealed to 17 that she absolutely loves photography, drawing, road trips, hiking and wakeboarding. Fact 9. Madelyn did a photo shoot with Elle, and as she shows on her Instagram, she rocks the olive green suit like nobody's business. Fact 10. Madelyn's interest in entertainment started before she began acting. When she was still living in South Carolina, she took ballet classes at the Classic Ballet Center in Somerville. While there, Madelyn studied advanced ballet. If you like this video, leave a comment below and let me know what else you'd like to see in the next video on this channel, and be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you, as always, for watching this video again. I'll see you in the next video.